We knew that ads were coming to Apple Maps, but with the rollout of the second beta for iOS 26.5, these ads turn out to be paid-for advertising from local businesses and venues. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. As per sources, Apple Maps in iOS 26.5 Beta 2 comes with a pop-up that says maps may show local ads based on your approximate location, current search terms, or view of the map while you search. However, Apple says it's not quite gone all the way down like Google Maps in terms of tracking just yet. The pop-up notification ends with saying, for your privacy, advertising information is not linked to your Apple account. Apple hasn't said too much else about ads in Apple Maps, but has told its business customers that they now have the option of putting sponsored posts into Apple Maps, branding it as a new way to be discovered. The one thing Apple has always won over Google in was its commitment to giving users a private, secure, and largely ad-free experience across Maps, email, AI, web browsing, and everything else. And that's why it's no surprise that the response from users has been welcoming. One Reddit post called the update tone-deaf and short-sighted, while another said Apple's doing a speed run to ruin its reputation. Quite a few Redditors say they were happy to pay Apple a premium price for hardware on the understanding that they wouldn't be hit by quite so many ads. But now they're rethinking on that stance. It's not clear exactly when adverts in Apple Maps will appear for everyone in every country, but judging by this new pop-up in the iOS 26.5 Beta 2 software, it looks like this could be the iPhone update we're gonna see soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.